Hello everyone, in this video you are going to learn about best calibration settings for Hisense U7N. Best calibration settings for Hisense U7N. Picture mode. Select theater day or theater night for accurate color reproduction. Backlight. Set to 100 for maximum brightness. Local dimming. Set to low to enhance contrast without excessive glooming. Brightness. Adjust to 45 for SDR content. Contrast. Set to 83 for SDR content. Color temperature. Select warm 2 for SDR content. Black label. Set to 0 for SDR content. Gamma. Choose 2.2 for SDR content. Color. Set to 75 for SDR content. Tint. Leave at 0. Sharpness. Set to 19 for SDR content. Color space. Set to auto. Advanced settings. Disable active contrast dynamic tone mapping, noise reduction, MPG noise reduction, motion enhancement, and motion clearness. Color tuner. Adjust primary colors as follows. Red, hue 0, saturation 0, brightness 0. Green, hue 0, saturation 0, brightness 0. Blue, hue 0, saturation 0, brightness 0. Yellow, hue 0, saturation 0, brightness 0. Cyan, hue 0, saturation 0, brightness 0. Magenta, hue 0, saturation 0, and brightness 0. Point white balance. Adjust as follows. R offset 0. G offset 0. B offset 0. R gain 0. G gain 0. B gain 0. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment and share the video. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for upcoming videos.